In seasons of uncertainty, and also seasons of accelerated national transformation, investment banks and capital managers remain a viable and potent growth partner, mostly the unseen hand beneath the pillars holding the foundation of our personal ambitions and the wheels that drive national aspirations. As the rest of the world and continental Africa looks to a new dawn of wealth and rapid transformation, Mainstreet Capital is putting on the table its decades-long wealth of experience and expertise, positioning itself as the continent's growth partner of choice.
Mainstreet Bank Capital have an extensive history of over 30 years in the Nigerian capital market. Myself and my partner Muyiwa, we saw the opportunity after having 30 or 40 years experience in the market, decided to acquire this platform so we can leverage on our skills to create a new brand for ourselves.
We have come to a point where we realize that the Nigerian economy needs a restart. So for us, our intention is to identify certain sectors, particularly the growth sectors of the economy, and then go into those sectors, come up with new ideas, come up with new strategies that we think can aid the growth of those sectors, and in so doing, and by so doing, create value for our clients.
I have worked on various rebranding processes in my previous experience, but this was different because it was coming from a stakeholder's point of view.
I have never personally been involved in a rebranding process from end to end, so it was a real learning process for me. And overall, there are a lot of moving parts and a lot of decisions to be made and a lot of back and forth communication with the professionals to ensure that the company, Mainstreet, gets the end product that it envisioned in the beginning. So I would say it was a real learning process for me, and I'm glad to have been part of the rebranding process and to actually see how a rebranding process can actually impact the business in a positive way.
A lot of work was done. We did a lot of research. It was detailed, insightful, and strategic.
Pictures was my worst part because I don't like taking pictures. But in the long run, I think our consultants were very professional. Adam and Newton, they provided various options for us to work with. So in arriving at the logo, the byline, and this whole process, we had the right guidance from them.
In that process, we had to develop tools and mechanisms to be able to capture people's thoughts. And from there, we collated all of that and we were able to present options to people.
Our plan, like I said, is to, based on the quality of experience we have, create a platform or create a brand who is very customer-centric, focus on the needs of our customers, create the right team, create the right environment for our own people to offer those kind of services to our clients as well. I mean, our goal is to become a merchant bank in the long run. I mean, between 5 to 10 years, if not even shorter.
The most important thing for us right now is training and brand immersion. Our corporate strategy, our corporate philosophy, our tagline, core values have all changed to reflect the new brand that we are putting out there. Yes, this is going to affect our culture. Our tagline, "Take the right turn," is still a bit vague to some people, and it means a whole lot more than what it says on the surface.
So for us, the right turn philosophy, what it tells us is very simple and straight and direct. It is that we are moving the market from where it is, from the traditional way of advising or managing our clients or advising our clients, and we're taking them to the new level, which is that we're going to create value for you beyond the ordinary. And the right turn is the only place where we can go. Now, what it tells you is when you come in contact with Mainstreet Capital or any of our staff, in discussing your wealth and the growth of your wealth, what we're telling you is every step we take, every decision we make on your behalf is geared towards the right turn, which is the turn that drives you towards growth of your wealth, maintenance and growth of your wealth.
Obviously, for branding projects as this cost a lot, a significant impact on our bottom line in the current year. However, we are optimistic that this will yield positive returns for us in the long run. We would gain market penetration, greater market share, and as well in the long run, our profitability would increase.
It was a painstaking process, but we're happy that the whole effort that was put together has paid off. The brand, the logo, speaks for who we are and where we want to be.
And beginning today, with the unveiling of its bold new identity and corporate philosophy, Mainstreet Capital is saying to Africa and the rest of the world that as you seek direction on where to invest in Africa, we will help you take the right turn.